Hello, everybody. I thought I would make a video going back over what we talked about on Monday. I think I was a little confusing. I'm going to try to be a little less confusing. Please, when you're watching this, pause the video. Rewind the video, rewatch the video, look at the pictures, and try to make sense of it for yourself. Okay, I hope this helps. We are talking about two types of fractions, mixed numbers and improper fractions. There are actually three types that we're going to deal with. You guys are really good at proper fractions, where the numerator, the top number, is smaller than the denominator. There are also improper fractions, where the numerator is larger than the denominator, and mixed numbers, whole numbers and a fraction. So it's like a whole number and a proper fraction. So just a reminder of proper fractions. The first circle with half the circle colored in blue is a half. 1 out of 2 parts. So the bottom number, the denominator, tells you the total number of parts, and the top number tells you the amount that you're eating or the amount colored in or the fraction that you're referring to. The second circle also has 1 part colored in, but this time it's 1 part out of 8. So which piece is bigger? Which colored in piece is bigger? Is a half bigger or smaller than an eighth? A half is bigger than an eighth, which I know seems weird because 2 is actually smaller than 8, but just remember that these are fractions. So the top number, again, is called the numerator. The bottom number is the denominator. And the numerator is smaller than the denominator in a proper fraction. Okay, so we use mixed numbers and improper fractions when it is more than 1. So proper fractions are between 0 and 1. Mixed numbers and improper fractions are more than 1. So you can see in this picture, there is a whole colored in. All 8 parts are colored in the first circle, and then 5 out of 8 in the second circle. So in the mixed number, 1 represents the whole, and 5/8 represents the second circle. In the improper fraction, it's 13/8, and that's where we're going to find it be a little bit tricky. Not 13 out of 16, 13 out of 8. So the denominator is the number of parts in one whole. Here's a pizza example. We've all eaten pizza, or most of us have. This pizza is cut into 8 equal parts. What fraction is this whole pizza? So it is either 8 parts out of 8 or the number 1. And if you think 8 divided by 8 is 1, that may also help. So everything is colored in, the whole pizza is there, it's 1 whole. Assuming that this pizza is also cut into 8 parts, what fraction is 1 slice of pizza? Ooh, Miss Bowen has a typo. So 1 slice of pizza is 1 out of 8. Okay, let's take this a little bit further. So we know that a whole is 8 out of 8, the whole pizza. 1 piece of pizza is 1 out of 8. But you are so hungry. You eat more than a pizza. There are 13 pieces of pizza, and you eat all of them. How many pieces of pizza, or how many eighths, did you eat? You ate 13 pieces of pizza, which is 13/8. I hope this helps us remember what the denominator is. I'm going to leave it there because the rest of this slideshow is available to you in the math content. I just really wanted to work out how do we figure out that the denominator is the number of pieces in one whole. And I hope that this pizza example helps. Please re-watch it if you need to. Okay. Thanks so much.